Hello everyone, welcome to Target45. As part of Day 18 Coding series, we are going to find the maximum and minimum element in an array using Python. If you have missed my any of the previous coding problems from day 1 to day 17, please complete it. It will be helpful for you for interviews and competitive exams and logical thinking. Let's solve this problem. Let's define a function with def keyword. We are defining find min and max function. Let's define one array as well. Our array is the elements 3 5 1 9 2 8 and 4. These are the elements in an array. Maximum and minimum. Let's call this function find underscore max underscore min. Let's pass the array to this function. Now here we are calling this function. This function will get triggered here. Still we have not written any code inside this function. We'll write it, but first let's print maximum. This is the maximum element. I am using f strings for printing the minimum and maximum element. Now let's write the code inside the function. Inside this find min max function, when we are passing this array elements, what we need to do first, we need to first check if there are any elements in the array. For that I'm writing if not array, we have to return none. The first condition is solved. After this what we have to do is we have to take min element as array of 0, max element as array of 0. We are not using min and max functions. Once we initialize this min element and max element to array of 0, we need to write a function, not a function, we need to write a for loop and compare with the remaining elements in the array. If the number is greater than max element, then max element is number, then this number will become the current maximum element. If number is less than the minimum element, then this minimum element will become, then this current element will become the minimum element. Once this for loop is completely executed, we have to return max element and the min element. Let's trace this in order to understand what's happening here. So this is our condition. Hash tracing. So these are our conditions. This is the array. Initially, minimum element and maximum element both pointed to array of 0, which is 3. We are writing a for loop from 1. From 1 it will start till the end of the array. So the first element is, now the number will be 5 since array of 1 is 5. Now max element is 5. Since 5 is greater than 3, which is true, so max element is 5. Min element is 3, since 5 less than 3. Now the number is 1. We need to again check. The max element will become 5. Since 5, 1 is not greater than 5, which is false, then the min element is 1. The reason being 1 is less than 3. This is true. Next, the number is 9. Max element is 9 because 9 is greater than 5, which is true. There is no change in the current min element, which is 1, plus 1 less than 9. Now number is 284. For all these numbers from 284, here it is not 1, 9 less than 1 here. So this is false. Now for all the numbers 284, the maximum element is 9. Since 9 is greater than 2, 8 and 4, which is true, and the minimum element is 1, since 2, 8, 4 less than 1 is a false. So in this way we solved minimum and maximum element in an array. We have done a mistake. Find min max is not defined. Okay, we'll change it to max min. So this is what we were expecting and we have got the answer. Let's say if I remove all the elements in the array, what would we get? Since we have written a condition, if there is nothing in the array, it has to return none. So it is working as expected. That's it for today. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. This is the mostly asked interview question. Thank you.